Hi, this is Lou from Dear Focus Ebike here in California, Alhambra. Today I will introduce folding electric bike for you guys. This brand is called Mihogo. We're selling a lot. And it has 100 to 165 range. That's a long range with a 2 battery. It's a folding one, easy to transport. Okay. It's not common to see with 2 battery folding bike, easy to transport and can go long range, 100 miles to 160 miles per charge. There is another battery here. We will put inside. Okay. The frame you can see it's one piece, no welding. It's magnesium, so it's very strong. It can hold 400 to 500 pounds. Most of electric bike can hold around 300 pounds, so it's very strong. There is colorful display and hydraulic brakes, and with 7 speed as a regular bike. It has front lights and rear lights. Front suspension, it can adjust. Let's go ride this bike. 等一下。Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you want to purchase, please click the link below. See you next time.